Hi there, welcome to elementory.in. Today we are going to build our first robot using the base kit. Let's hook a vibration motor to see what it does. When an object physically disturbs another object, it vibrates. If the vibrations are strong enough, it can move that object. As expected, when the power is supplied, it vibrates. If we use a control unit, maybe we can start and stop these vibrations on their own. Let's set the control unit in the pulse mode first. Can we use this vibration to move something? Of course we can. If we connect this to an object that has bristles on it, the vibrations will gradually move the bristles, which in turn will move the entire object. So let's build our Bristlebot. That was cool, wasn't it? Different types of bristled objects can move differently with different speeds. See what happens when your Bristlebot touches an obstacle.